anxiety keep on trying me. I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah, my anxiety can't shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me and my anxiety. Yeah. Solo, no mojo,